Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and go into App Management. Sorry, misclick. Then you need to click on App Cloner and click on one of the available apps, like Facebook. Then tap on the search bar next to Create App Clone. And over here you can click on Rename App Clone and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with F2. Now click on this icon at the top right corner of this Rename App Clone pop-up to save your changes, and when I go back and try to access Facebook, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!